Hello, welcome dears. Today in this video we are going to learn how to speak fluent English. So let's start the video. For the first, we should start speaking with ourselves. Try to speak like this. I have got up now. I'm getting off the bed. What's the time right now? Oh, it's 6 o'clock. I'm going to washroom. I'm getting ready for school or office. After reading, we say good morning everybody. Now we say, how are you? Or how are you doing? Or what's up? These are the same thing. Now, food time. I'm having breakfast. I'm taking breakfast. I'm eating breakfast. I'm having lunch. I'm taking lunch. I'm eating lunch. And for dinner, we can use same sentences. Having is a good word. So we'll say, I'm having breakfast. I'm having lunch. And I'm having dinner. For snacks, we can use taking. I'm taking snacks. Let's speak with the problems. If you are solving any question, that time you can say how to do it, how to solve it, what to do, whom to ask. If this video is helpful to you, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. I'll make more English practice videos, so don't forget to subscribe. This can be very helpful to you. And the last, thanks for watching.